Time for some EleFun Quizzes with Oqui and Rosa. Learn to add, adding 3. Oqui wanted some apples, but he had none. Rosa surprised him with 3 apples. Now, Oqui has 3 apples. 0 plus 3 equals 3. Do not forget, 0 plus 3 equals 3 is the same as 3 plus 0 equals 3. Oqui has 1 apple, but he wants another 3. Rosa came and gave him 3 more apples. Now, Oqui has 4 apples. 1 plus 3 equals 4. Do not forget, 1 plus 3 equals 4 is the same as 3 plus 1 equals 4. Oqui has 2 apples, but he wants more. Rosa came and gave him another 3. Now, Oqui has 5 apples. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Do not forget, 2 plus 3 equals 5 is the same as 3 plus 2 equals 5. Oqui has 3 apples, but he wants more. Rosa came and gave him another 3 apples. Now, Oqui has 6 apples. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Remember, 3 plus 3 equals 6. Oqui has 4 apples, but he wants more apples. Rosa came and gave him 3 more. Now, Oqui has 7 apples. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Do not forget, 4 plus 3 equals 7 is the same as 3 plus 4 equals 7. Oqui has 5 apples, but he wants more. Rosa brought him another 3. Now, Oqui has 8 apples. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Do not forget, 5 plus 3 equals 8 is the same as 3 plus 5 equals 8. Oqui has 6 apples, but he wants more. Rosa brought him another 3 apples. Now, Oqui has 9 apples. 6 plus 3 equals 9. Do not forget, 6 plus 3 equals 9 is the same as 3 plus 6 equals 9. Oqui has 7 apples, and he wants more. Rosa brought him 3 additional apples. Now, Oqui has 10 apples. 7 plus 3 equals 10. Do not forget, 7 plus 3 equals 10 is the same as 3 plus 7 equals 10. Oqui has 8 apples, but he wants 3 more. Rosa brought him 3 additional apples. Now, Oqui has 11 apples. 8 plus 3 equals 11. Do not forget, 8 plus 3 equals 11 is the same as 3 plus 8 equals 11. Oqui has 9 apples, but he wants 3 more. Rosa brought him the last 3 apples. Now, Oqui has 12 apples. 9 plus 3 equals 12. Do not forget, 9 plus 3 equals 12 is the same as 3 plus 9 equals 12. Yay! You did it! Now it's quiz time. Ready? What's your score? 0 to 3 correct answers, you are a PeaNutty. 4 to 7 correct answers, you are a PeaNutter. 8 to 10 correct answers, you are PeaNutastic.